Kwụrụ ọtọ, stand up. Guzoro ọtọ, stand up. Bilie ọtọ, stand up. Kulie ọtọ, stand up. These are 4 different ways and many more that the Igbos use in referring someone to stand up. It is said in different occasions, in different actions, with different meaning, but indirectly they mean the same, depending on the situation of the event that lead to saying that. For example, kwụrụ ọtọ. Kwụrụ ọtọ means stand up. That means you are sitting somewhere. You can only tell someone who is sitting down, kwụrụ ọtọ, stand up. Bilie ọtọ. You can also tell someone who is sitting down. In Igbo language, bilie ọtọ. But bilie ọtọ is being used in different ways. When someone is lying down, you want the person to get up, you can actually say bilie ọtọ. It is either the person is lying down or the person is sitting down. So you use it, bilie ọtọ. But you cannot say someone that is lying down, kwụrụ ọtọ. That means if you want to use the kwụrụ ọtọ means that the person is actually sitting down and not lying down. Okay. Guzoro ọtọ. Guzoro ọtọ means someone is also sitting down. You can use the word guzoro ọtọ. Bilie ọtọ is either used when someone is lying down or someone is sitting down. You can see the difference between these 2 Igbo words. So whenever you want to use them as an Igbo learner, just try to, put it in the right situation.